Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you a brief overview and some information and my first impressions on this Kibtoy Magnifying Glass for home, office, and school, sent to me free by the seller for evaluation, but available to you on Amazon. Two things that are most important to me whenever I order something online is the quality of the materials and the quality of the construction. And as I inspected this, I looked for cracks, I looked for anything that would keep it from doing its job. It's built well, it's built to last. So let's talk about some of the features. It actually has two different magnifying glasses. It has this large one right here. It's got a smaller one right here. I call it a jeweler's magnifying glass. It gets really up close. The magnifying glass can be used as a handheld, or you can have a base and set it flat on a table, and it's got different ways to adjust it. You can also adjust the magnifying glass itself. There are multiple settings for the LED light, and you also have one on the jeweler's glass. And again, it would be great for arts and crafts at the office, at school, or at home. It's great for counted cross stitch or needlepoint. It's great for stamp collectors and for coin collectors. Whatever your needs are, I highly recommend that you give this a look. Again, it's called Kibtoy. It's a magnifying glass with LED lights. Works for me. Maybe it'll work for you as well.